Okay, let's have a look at the hairdryer or heat gun model. Again, surface only. I think the solid modeling should be fairly easy for you now, or should be. So with this one, we've got the main body, probably going to use the revolve for that, and the nozzle at the front needs to be the loft, and then the handle itself can be an extrude. Alright, so I'll start it off properly this time. If the surfaces tab isn't active, just right click on these tabs and tick surfaces. First thing then, we're going to look for the front plane and the revolved surface option. Again, because we're dealing with surfaces, let's start with a center line. I'm going to snap to the red arrows and let's draw out the center of the model. Okay, it's going to be used for reference as well as the axis, so let's have a look at the overall length. We've got 168. Okay, and then we've got a few sections to think about. We've also got this arc at the back end of the model, but it has a flat spot of 8.25. Now we're only drawing half of it, so let's get a straight line, just move up there. That's going to measure into 4.125. Okay. Alright, for the next section, I'm just going to randomly place a horizontal line up here, and then I'll deal with the measurements in a minute. What else have we got? So there's going to be an angled section, which we're going to have to put a construction line in for. Okay, let's start adding some dimensions. So let's smart dimension from the end back to the first construction line. So this is going to leave a gap for the nozzle, which we'll add later on, so 38mm. The next measurement from the end to the flat section is going to be 96. Okay, then we can measure from the end to the end of the flat section, and we're looking for 146. Okay. Alright, so distance is now really from the center to the external edges. We need to go and have a look to see if we've got diameters or radius. Obviously we're only doing half the model for a revolve. So the largest radius or largest diameter, we've got 66. So let's half that to give us our radius. So we're going to measure from here to here, and that's going to be 33. Okay. The next radius down, we've got as 26, actually stated as a radius this time. Okay, let's join the end of the line to there, and then we've got to work out this this arc at the back. Okay, so a 3-point arc, join to the top of the little line we created earlier, and then the end of the flat section at the top. Smart dimension that, radius of 32.25. Okay, so that's our main outline sorted. So we can just exit out of the sketch, and we're just going to set the center line as our axis point, 360 degrees in the box, and green tick. Okay, so main body done. The next bit, the nozzle at the front. We can use the profile that's already there, so we only need an offset plane for this. So let's just see what we get. So I'm going to choose this edge, reference geometry plane. We can't create an offset, so I'm going to select that and then add another one. Okay, the offset here, 38. Okay, go straight into the sketch tools for this one and use the center point straight slot. Spacebar normal 2. Snap to the center, straight out to the side, expand a little bit. Okay, smart dimension. So from one end here, make sure you try and get this little dot, and then all the way over to the other side, same again, little dot. And a measurement for that is 62. Okay, a radius here of 7. Alright, and that's that sketch complete. Exit sketch.